Back, Hartford HealthCare's virtual health app, HHC 24/7, offers on-demand personalized primary care anytime you need it, day or night. Now, the app is introducing game-changing care and support for weight loss management. Here to tell us more about it is Dr. Darren Tischler. He's the Chief of Metabolic Bariatric Surgery at Hartford Health. Thanks so much for being with us this morning, Doctor. We appreciate your time.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. Okay, so let's start with how patients can now access weight loss services right at their fingertips. It sounds very handy. Can you explain how it works?
Absolutely. Today, our program has more ways than ever to treat obesity. And part of that is how our own patients are able to see our experts. And we're offering more ways than ever before, especially through the 24/7 app. It's just another way that patients can get the treatment that they need from our experts.
Oh, that's incredible. Can you talk to us a little bit about the Hartford HealthCare's weight loss management program? What makes it unique for people who have tried pretty much everything else out there?
Well, that's what I like to hear is that people have tried everything else out there. There are very few chronic diseases that we care for with just one treatment. When it comes to obesity, it's not any different. And it's going to be a combination of healthy eating, exercise. Today, we have more medications than ever before that we can use to treat obesity, and we have the backbone of bariatric surgery. So when we combine a variety of treatment therapies, we get the best possible results for any disease, especially with obesity.
So it sounds like treatment can take a while. Is that correct? What do you say to people who are kind of frustrated with, how long it may be taking for them?
Well, I think frustration is an important part of what we deal with. When people are frustrated, I think they're the most motivated. And treatment does take a while. It's a lifetime of treatment. This is a chronic disease, and there is no quick fix. I wish we had a single shot pill therapy that one time would treat obesity, but it's a lifetime of treatments. And we have the structure available to treat people throughout various stages of their lives and give them the best possible treatment at the best time.
And let's go back to the app for a second. How does HHC 24/7 connect patients with specialists? And I'm sure this is ensuring that they're getting that personalized weight loss care, which is what they really need.
Personalized weight loss is so important. And what is important about the 24/7 app is that it's another way that patients can interact with the healthcare experts that they need. So 24/7 allows people to see the healthcare provider right from home or from wherever it's convenient. We also still have all of the treatments that we have in office with our specialists. Some patients might prefer seeing someone in person, some might prefer the app, and most patients might need a combination of all of the different ways of seeing our experts. So when you need a little tune-up, a little coaching, sometimes one method works a little better than others.
Oh, that's great to hear. And lastly, obviously, it's the holiday season. Do you have any advice for people who may be worried about managing their weight during this time?
Well, I think the most important thing when it comes to weight management is that it's not just a one-time thing to manage weight, that it's a lifetime commitment. And I think my goal this year for my patients is to really encourage people to look at cleaner eating. In other words, let's look at the ways that we're eating our food, where we get our foods from, and watch out for those. We hear it all the time, processed foods. So if the food comes in a bag, a box, or a can, maybe we have an alternative that we can make at home. Maybe save some money along the way too with some home cooking. And usually when we look into the ingredients that we have, we're going to pay more attention and live a healthier life as a result of that.
Great advice, Dr. Tischler with Hartford HealthCare. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I hope you have a great
Thanks for
weekend.
having me.
Thank
Thanks for having me.
you.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays to you. And for more information, be sure to visit whatwillyougain.org.